Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the rewind effect in CapCut PC. So it's super simple and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. Alright, so prepare your video you like to edit, and I already have one video in the track. So you can see this video, it's original video like this. And I'm going to make the rewind effect. So I'm just going to split the clip before to make it shorter. All right, so and I'm going to copy paste. Right, for the second clip I'm going to select the reverse, just reverse the clip to make it yeah, like rewind effect. Okay, just wait for the person clip according to duration of the video. Alright, and after done, I'm just going to make it faster. Click on the second clip and go to speed and select normal, and then you can make it faster. Just swipe to the right. Select the tree. See for the final result. Alright, this is the original video. And this is the rewind effect. And I think I want to split the clip and remove and use it. Go. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.